Good morning. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 rational number some problems. For that, first definition a rational number. A rational number is of the form p by q where p and q are integers. Just to recall, integers is of the form 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to any number and also a negative number minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So example any number 2, 5, 6, any positive, any negative and 0. They are all rational number. So directly we can tell integers p by q form. Now we have numerator and also denominator. Have a number, then it's also called a rational number. So any integer we can write as 2 by 1 as 2, then 5 by 1 also 5, 6 by 1 also 6. So any integer we can say that is a rational number. So now just come to the fraction. Proper fraction or improper fraction, we know that. So any mixed fraction, proper, improper, whatever may be, so they are all just a rational number. So a rational number is of the form p by q, that is numerator one number and denominator another number. It may be any one. So it's also the rational number. For that here we have 0 is also a rational number because 0 we can write as 0 by 1. 0 by 1 value 0. So another example we can write 1, that a rational number because 1 by 1 equal to. So any number just integer means we can write as any number by 1. So 500 we can write as 500 equal to 500 divided by 1, that is 500. So like that here we have any integer we can tell is a rational number. So now just 1 by 1 the number is 1. 1 by 1 we can write as 1. Similarly minus 1. So minus 1 number we can write as minus 1 divided by 1, that is minus 1. So what we can understand from this, 1 and minus 1 have the same number, that is 1 and 1 the same number. Now come to property, just to recall. Already you studied this thing. Commutative property for multiplication. A cross B equal to B cross A product, where A and B are any rational number. So example 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 we can write 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 3, that is 1 divided by 6. Also we can exchange that A and B as 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 we can multiply 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 2 we can write as 1 by 6. So another example, if you have negative number minus 8 by 9 into 3 by 2, so minus 8 into 3 divided by 9 into 2, so we can write. Similarly 3 by 2 into minus 8 by 8, so 3 into minus 8 divided by 2 into 9, so minus 24 divided by 18. Just to recall, suppose 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, so not possible to write 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, that is wrong, but it's in product. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 we can write as 1 by 6 by this. So learn, if addition means not possible, we need to find that we need to find the LCM. After that we need to solve. But in product directly we can write numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay. Now distributive law, just A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. A is distributed to B and C, where A, B, C are any rational numbers. Similarly additive identity 0. Now just recall that associative property for multiplication. So all are same sign, A into B into C. Here into plus. So A into associated for B and C. So A is associated with B and C, but it's in commutative, no, so we can change A into B into C, where A, B, C are any integer. Similarly, you can recall A plus B plus C also, A plus B into A plus B plus C. We can write the bracket like that. So So using this we can solve many problems. Okay. Now in the same way, now you already know that what is your additive identity. Now additive inverse of any number a. Just one alphabets are used, you have a number instead of a, you have number a is minus a, that is a plus of minus a, addition. So plus into minus minus, so a minus is 0. So a is a number. Example, suppose a number 2 by 3. So numerator and denominator you have. Now what is that additive inverse? We need to introduce one sign, that is here plus, no, that opposite sign is minus. So minus 2 by 3. So minus 8 by 9, opposite sign of this minus is 8 by 9. Now come to this type of problems. Now 13 divided by minus 17, minus in denominator. So what do you know that, what we want to understand, minus always in numerator, that is minus 13 by 17 is the standard form. Just first write the standard form, then write the additive inverse. So minus 13 by 17, that is plus 13 by 17 is the answer. Similarly minus in numerator and denominator, you can cancel this minus. So that is standard form 13 by 14. The negative of this one is minus 13, plus negative is minus 13 by 14. Similarly plus 101 divided by minus 2. So you can recall plus, they won't give anywhere. So 101 divided by minus 2. What do you want to understand the standard form? Minus 101 divided by 2. So 101 divided by minus 2. Standard form minus 101 divided by 2. So that additive inverse is 101 by 2. Now some thing by using that additive property. So for that, suppose verify minus of minus x equal to x. So minus into minus, what we know that plus. So that is things we need to verify. Suppose the problem is given, verify that minus of minus x equal to x for x is equal to 13 by 5. Let x equal to 13 by 5 solution. So that minus of x, so we need to multiply minus for that number. So here plus, no, so minus of 13 by 5. Now this is the minus x value. Now minus of minus x, so minus of minus x value minus 13 by 5. Now just minus into minus plus. So what we need to understand, so minus of minus x, the same value, that is x. So that answer we need to get. So if you have that thing, means we can write as verified, that is equal to x. So you verified minus of minus x equal to x, just you verified like that. Next, same problem like that, verify that minus of minus x equal to plus x for x equal to minus 11 by 12. Consider x is equal to minus 11 by 12. Now what we want to write, what is the value of minus x? So minus the minus and into x value, that x value is minus 11 by 12. Understand? First x value minus 11 by 12. Okay, what we want to understand, minus of x value minus 11 by 12. Okay, this thing I returned. So minus, already you have x, that thing minus outside, no, that minus, and substitute x is equal to minus 11 by 12. Here substitute x equal to what things given. Okay, now this is the value, that is equal to minus into minus plus. This is the value, plus 11 by 12 is the value of minus x value. Now minus of minus only we need to find. So first introduce this minus. After that minus x value, you have 11 by 12. So 11 by 12, that is plus 11 by 12. Now minus into plus equal to, we get minus. So minus 11 by 12, that is the x value. So actually what you have, actually you have minus of minus x. What is things given? X value minus 11 by 12, that is, another bracket minus 11 by 12. Now how many minus are there? 1 2 3. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, that is minus 11 by 12, odd number of negative sign. So that is minus 11 by 12 is the x value. So like that we need to understand, but just write first x value minus 11 by 12 given. Now find minus x value, that is minus into minus 11 by 12. So value plus 11 by 12. Now we need to write minus of minus x, that is minus of minus x, this value 11 by 12. So minus into plus minus, so minus 11 by 12 is the answer. Suppose the problem like that, if x equal to 11 by minus 13, so we need to solve. So verify minus of minus x equal to plus x means first write in standard form. Standard form is minus in numerator. So minus 11 by 13. So always write minus in numerator. Okay. Now come to multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity is 1. Why this multiplicative identity we can learn. So multiplicative inverse of a number is that reciprocal. There is multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. Now multiplicative inverse of 1 by a is a. Right. So why? Now a into 1 by a, multiplicative a into 1 by a, you can cancel a. After that you can get 1. That thing is identity. That one is identity. Now 1 by a into a we can cancel. That answer is 1. Now recall that reciprocal of a is 1 by a. Reciprocal of 1 by a is 1 divided by 1 by a. So you can write 1 into a by 1, that is a. Right. That example number minus 17 reciprocal. So any number we know that minus 17 given. So standard form we know that minus 17. So any number we can write as number divided by 1. So minus 17 as minus 17 by 1. That is the reciprocal of this is 1 by minus 17. 1 by minus 17. Now the standard form is minus 1 by 17. Like that we need to write. So just we needed to find that reciprocals. So minus 17, we know that minus 17 by 1. So we can write as 1 by minus 17, that the reciprocal is minus 1 by 17. Because minus 17 and multiplicative inverse is minus 17 into minus 1 by 17. We can cancel this 17. So minus into minus plus, answer 1. So here multiplicative inverse. Similarly, minus 12 by 19, so we can write as 19 divided by minus 12, that the standard form is minus 19 by 12. Right. Similarly, 1 by 9 we can write as 9 by 1, standard form is 9. No need to write 9 by 1 because the product is answer 1. Right. Next problem is given minus 3 by 11 into minus 12 by 7. So we can write as this minus always in numerator. So minus 11 by 3 into minus 7 by 12. So write minus in numerator. Now just 3 by 11, 11 by 3, 12 by 7, 7 by 12. Okay, check that answers. So just multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 3 into 12 and 11 into 7 multiply, you can get 36 divided by 77. Here you can multiply 11 into 7, 3 into 12, you can get 77 divided by 36. So answer, you can get the product is 1. The same way, minus 1 into minus 7 by 9. So minus 1, we know that any number divided by 1. So the reciprocal is 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1. Now the standard form is minus 1 by 1. That is minus 1. So minus 1 into reciprocal, minus in numerator. So reciprocal of 7 by 9 is 9 by 7. Right. Check. Minus 1 into minus 7 by 9. Multiply minus into minus plus. 1 into 7, 7. So 7 by 9. Here minus into minus plus. So 9 by 7. So answer equal. So 7 by 9 into 9 by 7, answer 1. Suppose it's in mixed fraction. Minus 1 by 1 by 3. Change into the fraction. So so that is minus 4 by 3. Then our reciprocal is minus 3 by 4. That's all. Change into the fraction. Hint, now 0 don't have any reciprocal, because any number we can write as 0 by 1. 0 we can write as 0 by 1. Now the reciprocal 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is not undefined. That is infinite. Any number divided by 0, it's called infinite. So it's undefined. So that's why 0 don't have reciprocal. Hint answer. And 1 and minus 1 are equal to their reciprocal. Already we learned, because any number 1 by 1 we can write as 1 by 1. So that is reciprocal of 1 by 1 is 1 by 1. So answer 1. So 1 reciprocal 1. Minus 1 we can write as minus 1 by 1. That is reciprocal of this is 1 by minus 1. That is standard form minus 1 by 1. That is minus 1. So reciprocal of 1 and minus 1 is the same number. Right. Now just come to name the property under multiplication used. Now minus 7 by 11 into 1 by 7. So 1. Now it's changed as 1 into minus 7 by 11. So that is A into B. Here A into B equal to just B into A. No? So that's why it's called commutative property for multiplication. Similarly, minus 11 by 19 into minus 13 by 18. Here minus 13 by 18. A, here B. That is B into A. So the same answer, commutative property of multiplication. Now this minus 13 by 17 into 17 by 13. So minus, okay. The reciprocal of 13 by 17, minus 13 by 17 is 17 by 13. So you can cancel, no. That is, one is the multiplicative identity. So one is the multiplicative identity means we can write as this property is multiplicative inverse property. So the inverse of this number is this. Right. Now suppose the problem, multiply 17 by 18 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 7. Now we need to write the solution. Now what is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 7? So that is minus in numerator, so 7 by 5. The reciprocal of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. Now question is multiply 17 by 18 by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal is minus 7 by, so substitute here. So 17 by 8, 18 into minus 7 by 9. Now multiply numerator into numerator. So 17 into minus 7 divided by 18 into 5. So 17 into 7 plus into minus, you have minus. So 119 divided by 18 into 5, 90. So like that we need to write a fraction. Right. So from this you need to solve the particular homework. First problem, write the 10 rational number. You can give any integer answers, any rational number. It's your own example you need to write. Write the additive inverse of the following rational number. Idea, just to change the sign. First write the standard form particular problem and change the sign. Minus means plus, plus means minus after the standard form. And verify that this problem, okay, you can write minus of x, that is minus into minus plus, so automatically you can get. But this is the careful, you need to give your answer careful, verify your problems once again. Now find the multiplicative inverse, change the reciprocal. So any number divided by 1, we can write a number minus 13 means minus 13 divided by 1, that is minus 1 by 13. So like that write the answer. So here multiply, after that write the answer. Here you can, so already you have the such type of solution. By using this write the answer. Name the property under multiplication. So associative property, distributive property and commutative property for multiplication. Write this thing. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Already we discussed this problem. So using this just to solve. Students, just study by yourself. Thank you.